Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just wanted to do a quick video on this radio, which is on super sale right now for Black Friday. I will do a more extensive review on the radio in the next day or two, but I just want to get this out before the sale closes or they sell out. There's two versions. There's one with AM, FM, and shortwave, and there's one with AM, FM, and weather band. It's got scan function. It's got a sleep timer. It has an alarm. It has favorite channels, 3 favorite channels on each band. It does not have a keypad for direct tuning. What do you expect for $9.99? The tuning wheel is on the side here. It's a little difficult when you're trying to scan manually the shortwave band. It's a lot of tuning. You can, down here, you can momentarily push this band when you're in the shortwave band, and it will jump through the international broadcast bands to help you get to the frequency you want. You're not going to get much on shortwave with this tiny built-in telescopic antenna, but AM and FM, it works perfect. I was amazed at the reception, and the scan function works on all bands, and it makes it real convenient to, for instance, on your FM band, to find all the stations. This is the volume up and down right here, these two knobs. This is the power and lock button. That's about it. Headphone jack right there and power jack right there. It does not come with an AC adapter. It does not come with batteries. It does require 2 AA batteries, but for this deal, $9.99, and if you're a Prime member, you get another 5% off. How can you go wrong? And like I say, definitely on AM and FM, it works great. Shortwave, not so good. It will require an external antenna to be connected to this telescopic antenna to get much on shortwave. I think you ought to get you one. I put it in my Amazon store. The link to my store is below each of my videos in the description. If you click on that link, it takes you to Amazon. I don't have a special store. I just have a store page, which is a part of Amazon. So you're dealing with Amazon. If you buy anything, I get a small commission, and I use that small commission in entirety to buy things like this. And that works really great. That's a great way that you can support my shows. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.